Welcome to the One Choice for Your Store tutorial, Checkout and Registration Manager. According to Yahoo, by enabling the customer registration, you'll be giving your customers a more efficient checkout experience with stored shipping and billing address pre-populated on checkout pages. Your customers will be able to access their order information, order history, shipping status, and tracking numbers just by signing into their account. They'll also easily be able to reorder items with just one click. They'll also be able to update their shipping and billing addresses and other profile information at any time. So how do you enable registration? If you're using 3.0 templates, it's very easy. Just go through the design wizard. Now, if you've done any type of customization at all whatsoever, or you're using Template Editor 2.0, then you'll want to either use JavaScript and division codes or RTML. I highly recommend using RTML. After you've updated the store templates, publish your store, and in step 2, you'll want to go into the Checkout and Registration Manager and enable and configure your settings. How do you tell the difference between 2.0 and 3.0? Well, first go into your store editor, and we want to make sure that we are in advanced editing. So just go ahead and click on that little red arrow right next to publish. Next, click on templates. Once you click on templates, if you're using version 3.0, you'll see that little message right away. However, if you're using 2.0 or custom templates, you're going to see that right over here on the right hand side if you're using custom templates, or you will not see version 3.0 up here if you're using 2.0. Remember, if you're using custom templates or store editor version 2.0, you will not be able to use the design wizard to update your store with the new customer registration. Let's go into the back end of a Yahoo store and show you step by step how to enable customer registration on a store editor version 3.0 with no customization. We're in the back end of our Yahoo store, and we're going to click on the design wizard and click on design your site. Now go ahead and choose the generic or pre-designed template that you previously have in your Yahoo store. We're going to click on the same color scheme and click on select template. Here we're just going to use our plain text, click next, and our name's already in there because we're not changing anything. This stays the same. All of the about us, homepage information, all of that will stay the same, so we'll go ahead and click finish. And now we want to go into the actual store editor. We need to publish our changes. So what I want to do is click on variables and click on update, and now click on the publish button. By clicking on the variables button and clicking update, this updates all the pages within our Yahoo store, and this will do a complete and full publish of our store. Our store has finished publishing, and now we're ready to enable customer registration. So let's go ahead and click on the global settings and go to customer registration. First thing we want to do is enable customer registration, and for customer sign-in, make sure that we leave it that it's not required for them to sign in when checking out, and register after ordering. Put that as enable. This will allow your customers, if they sign out as a guest and they place their order afterwards, they can decide, you know what, I do want for this store to remember all of my information. Now, the post-registration URL is, okay, I've signed up, I'm now a member of your website. Where do you want them to go to? So you could use something like thankyou.html, maybe give them a coupon code or give them a special gift. The cancel registration URL is they decided they don't want to become a member of your website or a registered member of your website. So this might be something where you can send them to another page and entice them by using some type of coupon to complete that process. Click on the Save button, and if you look at Customer Registration Manual Setup, that just has all of the instructions that we needed, but we went ahead and we ran the 3.0 instructions already. So click on Page Configuration, click on Customer Registration and Account Registration. You can change the title here. You can show your header design if you have one in your cart, and you can also put in a page message. Go to My Account. You can again add a title, show your header, and add a page message. Make sure you click the Save button on every single page here. And for registration confirmation, again, show the header. You can also put a page message here like thank you again for registering with our website. Again, make sure you click on the Save button. Go to Checkout Registration Manager and visual customization. This is where you can change the color of the buttons and change the colors very easily, but we highly recommend clicking on checkout buttons and creating customized buttons for these different areas of your site, especially for checkout as a guest, checkout registration, keep shopping. All of these need to be customized to match your store. This will really help you to increase your conversion rates. Now, after you're all done, click on the publish order settings. Our website's done, so we're going to go ahead and click on Frog Jacket, add to cart. And as we can see in our shopping cart, we have options here as I have an account, I'm a new user, or shop as a guest. And as you can see, these buttons are very plain and boring, and they really don't stand out. So this is where I'm saying you really want to customize these buttons, make them stand out, really make them very easy for your customers to understand and to follow, and this will really help you to increase your conversion rates.